Cozy warm nest in a little barnyard. The sun is shining through the barn windows. Welcome, little ones, to Danyal Heather Cartoons. Today we are going to watch a story of a mother and her two kids. So let's start. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Hen sitting in the nest. Keep her chicks warm. Mother hen warmly with a motherly tone. Good morning, little ones. It's a bright and beautiful day outside. Are you ready to explore? White chicks excitedly. Yes, I want to see the world, mommy. What is out there? Chick. Yellow chicks a little shy. But what if too big out there? What we get lost? Mother hen gently. Don't worry, sweetie. As long as you stay close to me, you want to get lost, or always I'll be there to guide you. But outside the barn, the grass is green and there are butterflies floating. Chicks running around excitedly. White chicks chasing a butterfly. Look, a beautiful butterfly. I'm going to catch it. Yellow chick giggling. But stay close to mother. Wait for me. I'm not so fast like you. Mother hen laughs and watches them with love. Take care, little ones. Take your time. There is no rush. The world is full of wonders, but we must enjoy each moment. White chicks out of breath from running. I'm tired, mommy. Can we take a break? Mother hen, of course. Let's take another rest. They rest under the tree. They all sit under a big tree, casting a nice shadow. A sparkling pond in the middle of the yard. There are ducks swimming happily. Chicks are curious but nervously looking at the water. What are these creatures in the water, mother? These are ducks, my dear. They love swimming in the water. They are different from us, but that's okay. We all have our own special ways to living. Chick 1 excitedly, I want to swim like the duck. Mother hen smiling gently, you can't swim like the duck, sweetie, but you can splash around and enjoy the water, just like us, and enjoy pecking for food. Mother hen dips her beak in the water to drink, and the chicks follow her example, dipping their little beaks in the water. The chicks are looking up at the sky. A few birds are flying overhead. The air is warm and peaceful. Chick yellow looking up in me, wow, look at all those birds flying. Do we have a fly like them? One day, mother hen, softly. Sweetie, we hens can't fly as high the birds, but we still flap our wings and feel the breeze. Flying is special, but there is so much to see and do here on the ground. Chick 1, I am going to try to fly higher. Watch me, mother hen. Remember, my little one, it's not about flying the highest, but enjoying the journey. The chicks flap their wings joyful, running around their little wings and around untouched with the mother wings. They are so happy today. Evening time. The sun is setting and yard is bathing in a soft golden light. The chicks are tired after a full day of exploring. Chick 1, Mommy, I am sleepy. Can we go back to the nest? Chick 2, close to the mother. I'm tired too, mommy. Today was fun, but I'm ready for a nap. Mother hen gently leading them to back the nest. It was a wonderful day, wasn't? Tomorrow we'll have even more adventures. But for now, let's rest and dream about all the beautiful things we saw. They jump back into the nest. Mother hen tucks her chicks under the wings. Mother hen, good night, my sweet little chicks. The world is big, but as long as we together, there is nothing to fear. Chick 1 and Chick 2. You're right, mommy. Good night, mommy. Sweet dreams. And the story ends with the happiness, love, and care of mother to her two chicks. Together with the mother hen protecting and guarding her little ones from morning peck to cozy nap. This heartwarming trip is a perfect example of love and care in the animal world. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, share it and subscribe it. I will meet you in the next beautiful video. Until goodbye.